We begin tonight with a CBS 2 investigation. This teen, the focus tonight in the murder of a Chicago nurse.
Police arrested him after a high-speed chase in an SUV. An SUV police say was used in the shooting. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey takes a close look at his criminal past at just 19 years old.
They're behind that silver Jeep that's wanted for homicide.
This is the silver Jeep caught on camera at the scene where Frank Aguilar was shot last week. The 32-year-old nurse tried to perform first aid on himself before dying in the hospital. He was still wearing his scrubs.
Southbound from 71st at 115 miles per hour.
Police spotted the same car late Friday night, but the man behind the wheel, 19-year-old Armando Lopez, wouldn't pull over, leading police on a 12-mile high-speed chase before crashing into several cars. He was taken into custody and charged with fleeing police and driving on a suspended license, but so far not charged with the death of Aguilar.
In my mind, I know he was involved, whether he was a driver or the shooter. Or a passenger, of course.
Today, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office said police are still investigating, but we're quick to mention that this is far from the teen's first run-in with the law. We did some digging, and in October of 2018, then 18-year-old Lopez was arrested for allegedly breaking into cars. He was arrested on an I bond, meaning he didn't have to pay any money, and the charges were dropped in February. The same month, he was caught with an illegal gun in the same Jeep, and he didn't have a FOID card. He pleaded not guilty and again was released on an I bond.
It tells it all right there. It doesn't matter if you're a family man, if you're a good man. He has cases. You've got to put people like this off the streets.
Lopez is one of more than 2,000 gun offenders arrested since May. Roughly half of those posted bond out of Cook County, and 139, like Lopez, were rearrested. Today, Lopez's attorney said it's important that the court not jump to conclusions.
I understand the judge said the bond has nothing to do with the investigation that the state mentioned. I think we can take that with a grain of salt. I've never seen a bond like this on a fleeing and eluding before.
Now, Lopez has a hearing tomorrow for violating the terms of his bond. Meanwhile, Aguilar's wake is set for Wednesday. His family tells us they're hoping for some more answers by then. Live in the control room, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
Megan, thank you.